Hello, and welcome back to Off Grid Style with Tom and Nikki. Today we're discussing a 72-hour get home fanny pack or tactical molle pouch. A fanny pack can be a convenient way to carry essential items while getting home during SHTF scenarios. This may be an option if you have a small car, if you have several kids, or work things in your car so you don't have much room. It also will be much lighter and easier to carry, and we do carry many of the items you will see in this video on our website. So here are some top items to consider if you want to carry a 72-hour fanny pack. First, we have navigation tools. A compact map, compass, or GPS device will help you stay on course and navigate your route. A multi-tool or pocket knife is a versatile tool for cutting, prying, opening cans, and various other tasks. Waterproof matches, a fire starter, or a small lighter can help create fire for warmth, signaling, and protection. A mini first aid kits like the ones you see here pictured can carry essential medical supplies like bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and any necessary medications. Water purification tablets or water purification drops and or a mini filtration straw will help you with accessing clean drinking water. You want to carry non-perishable, high-energy snacks to keep you fueled during your journey. You are going to want a length of strong cordage for various purposes, such as building shelters or tying things together. You will notice that the photo on the left is a paracord wristband that has come from our website. It has a light and a compass with it as well. You're also going to want a pair of sturdy gloves to protect your hands from rough terrain or potential hazards. These roll up nice and small and will fit perfectly inside the bag. You will need a small, reliable light source for navigating in low light conditions. You will want to carry cash in small denominations and less than $100 for potential emergencies. Also, consider carrying some change in case cell service is out. A tactical pen is always a great small item for any bug out bag or 72-hour get home bag. It is a pen designed for self defense and writing in various conditions. As you can see, the one here on the image has quite a few additional features. Personal hygiene items might include travel sized hand sanitizer, tissues, and personal hygiene products. Additionally, whether you are a man or a woman, carry a tampon and a maxi pad with you. These will come in handy in a variety of different ways. Spare batteries will come in handy if you need them for your tactical pen or flashlight. A portable rain poncho and an emergency blanket will help keep you dry, warm, and covered in inclement weather. Bandanas are versatile and can be used for various purposes, filtering water, protection from dust, or as a head covering. I've also listed some other uses here on the video. If you have a working cell phone, keep it charged and have a portable charger for backup. The one shown here in the video is actually a solar charger and is no bigger than the size of an average cell phone. Remember that the items you carry should be tailored to your specific needs, the nature of your journey, and the potential challenges you might encounter. Keep your fanny pack or tactical molle pouch organized and lightweight to ensure you can move quickly and efficiently through SHTF situations.